Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. In this series, I'll talk about weather events that occurred in the United States on the same date as the video was posted in years past. Today, that date is June 26th. On this day in 1986, after forming 3 days earlier over the central Gulf of Mexico, Hurricane Bonnie made landfall on the upper Texas coast near High Island, Texas. Following the landfall, Bonnie quickly weakened below tropical storm status and dissipated over Missouri on June 28th. Before the landfall, 22,000 people were evacuated in Texas and Louisiana. The peak winds were 85 miles per hour, Category 1 status at landfall. 5 people died from the hurricane and damage was 42 million 1986 United States dollars. That equates to over 120.3 million in 2024 United States dollars. On this day in 1989, 3 days after forming in northwestern Gulf of Mexico, Tropical Storm Allison made landfall near Freeport, Texas. Later that day, Allison quickly weakened to a tropical depression and transitioned into an extratropical cyclone the following day. Despite this, the storm's remnants persisted for another 10 days until July 7th and meandering across the area, triggering flooding across the region up to 30 inches in some places. Highest winds were 50 miles per hour and 11 people died from the storm. The damage was 560 million 1989 United States dollars. In 2024 United States dollars, it takes over $1.4 billion to equate that. This tropical storm Allison is not to be confused with the one that struck Texas 12 years later in June 2001. That one dumped even heavier rainfall, particularly in Houston, with over 40 inches falling. From that one, 30,000 became homeless after the storm flooded over 70,000 houses and destroyed 2,744 homes. 55 people died from that Allison, 41 directly and 14 indirectly, and damage was 9 billion 2001 United States dollars, which equates to over 15.9 billion in 2024 United States dollars. On this day in 1994, a 38-mile wide outbreak of 40 tornadoes occurred from southwestern Tennessee to northeastern Alabama. The strongest tornado through parts of southern Tennessee into northern Alabama, beginning near the town of Lutz in Wayne County, then moving southeast into Lawrence County. It then tracked through Iron City, Tennessee, and the St. Joseph, Tennessee area. Around 75% of the buildings in Iron City and 19 people were injured before the tornado moved into Alabama, causing significant damage to more than 14 homes in the Mary's Chapel area. That will do it for this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because every time there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred on the day the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video.